Hello guys, so I got some a Zippo. I don't remember which one this is, so we will be surprised together. There you go. Using my Gerber pry bread to assist here. Old paper towel shipment. Yep, this is the one I thought was easy. So this is a very heavily used Sew World Zippo Slim. You can see it's older. There's the date stamp. See, what I assume to be blue, mostly worn out of the large first wave of the logo. Not too bad, a little tarnished on the inside. Gonna definitely clean this one up, give it some cleaning. It sparks. Fix that. Really worn insert here, but fortunate enough to get this Orlando collector a Sew World Zippo. First one I'd seen, had to scoop it up. I believe I paid $15 for it.